Hi, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Kirti. That would be me. Today we're making spaghetti and meatballs for a serving size of 4 people. Here are our ingredients. Here we have some lightly dried basil, half of a white onion, a clove of garlic, a box of angel hair spaghetti, Prego tomato basil garlic sauce, crushed pepper, black pepper, salt, and farm-rich flame-broiled meatballs, beef and pork, and also our cooking utensils. First, of course, we want to dice our onion and garlic. So, begin by doing that. In the meantime, don't forget to preheat your pan with a little bit of olive oil at a nice medium heat setting. After you've let your pan sit for a while, put as many meatballs as you would like to simmer in the pan. After you let them simmer for a while, take them out. Ah, shit, fuck. These bitches burning. Make sure to fill up your pot with some water for the spaghetti. And put it on the stove to boil. While it's boiling, we want to put the onions and the garlic in the pan to be sauteed. Make sure to stir them up for a nice, even burn. After you sauteed your onions and garlic for a while, take your Prego and empty the whole bowl inside. Mix that around for a bit. Then put your meatballs back in. After it's cooled down for a bit and you mix it well, add in some basil, some black pepper, salt, and if you want a little bit of spice, some red pepper as well. After your water's come to a boil, put all your spaghetti in. And cook till al dente. So you want to make sure once it's ready that over, pour it straight. Once strained, we want to bring the spaghetti over, mix it into our sauce. It is ready to be served. Let's have our first bite. Delicious.